Weddings are joyous occasions. However, planning one can be a challenge and requires precise organization. Whether planning a large wedding or a small intimate one, before the flowers, the wedding bands, or the invitations, there is one item that should be first on your to-do list before saying, "I do."
Everyone must have a marriage license before they get married in Virginia. This should be their #1 item on their to-do list. We encourage couples to fill out our online marriage license pre-application. The link to the pre-application is located on the Circuit Court's website. After they fill out the pre-application, the couple comes to the Fairfax Circuit Court together to get their marriage license. You do not need a blood test to get married in Virginia. You don't have to be a resident of Fairfax or a resident of Virginia to get a license, and there is no waiting period.
In Virginia, requirements for a marriage license include you and your intended spouse must be at least 18 years old. Both applicants need the full names of parents, including middle names, as they appear on their birth certificates. This also includes mother's maiden name. Marriage must be performed within 60 days of the date the license is purchased. After submitting the online pre-application, couples go to room 116 at the Fairfax County Courthouse. Both parties must appear together to pick up their certificate at the marriage counter. They should bring a valid ID, such as a driver's license, passport, or military ID. The cost, $30.
The Circuit Court clerk will review the application, the couple takes an oath, and then the clerk prepares and gives the marriage license to them. The clerk will also provide instructions to the couple for the wedding celebrant. Before the ceremony, the couple will give the marriage license along with the instructions on how to fill it out to their wedding officiant. After the ceremony, the wedding officiant completes their portion of the license and returns it to the Fairfax Circuit Court within 5 days.
Before you leave the courthouse, it's important that all information is correct. So look over your documents carefully. The marriage counter is located inside the Fairfax Circuit Court, located at 4110 Chainbridge Road. The marriage counter is open Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. If couples need a civil celebrant to perform their wedding, the court has a list of local authorized officiants on their website.
Only wedding officiants that have received a court order from a Virginia Circuit Court authorizing them to perform wedding ceremonies can legally marry couples in Virginia. This also applies to religious celebrants.
Courthouse staff enjoy being a part of this exciting time in the life of their customers and are always happy to help. If you have any questions, feel free to give them a call at 703-691-7320.